Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be making Friday dinner, simple Friday dinner. So we are still on the series of Friday dinner. So in today's video I'm going to make, my choice of fish is going to be mackerel fish, and I'm going to use it with roasted plantain. I'm going to roast my plantain, and I have some sliced tomatoes, sliced onions, and frozen spinach that I'm going to use, and these are my seasoning. So right now I'm going to put everything. I'm going to put the fish in the oven and the plantain in the oven at the same time while I continue with my vegetables. So if this is your first time of coming across my video, this is Sensational TV. The oven is so hot. So I want everything to be there once. Make out some space. Voila. So I closed. If this is your first time of coming across my video, this is a Sensational channel with Helen. So I've been giving some updates on different kind of Friday dinner and other videos I've made. You can go to my channel, so you can check on my playlist so you get more of my video. So if you love any of my videos, please subscribe. You can like, leave a comment on the comment section of this video and tell me what you like and what you don't like. So why we go straight to the cooking. So I'm going to put my onions and my tomatoes directly to the fire. And my sliced pepper also. Let the onions cook a little bit before I add the tomatoes. Okay, I already have one tomato still. It doesn't matter. I want to have this crunchiness from these onions. So right now I'm going to put the tomatoes. Okay. This back, and I have a bit of salt to it. That is okay. And my seasoning, this is curry powder. And thyme. then 1 cube of seasoning. So now I'm going to add my spinach, frozen spinach. Then I'll cook it gently, reduce the fire to steam it up. Okay, now we are going to check our vegetables if it's ready. So look at the way it is now. Bring it closer so you can see. This is our vegetable sauce that we are going to use with the fish and our roasted plantain. Very easy and delicious to make. Delicious, easy Friday dinner. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. So I love the way it looks. It's yummy. It's nice. Okay.
Action.
Okay guys, now we are going to check our fish if it's ready. So let me open it. So they are doing really well. Okay, I think the fish is ready because I don't want it to be too dry. So I'm going to remove it now. So the fish is ready. Now it's the plantain that is remaining. So if you love eating plantain like me, because you love plantain a lot, most of my food is plantain. I love it a lot. So if you don't want to fry your plantain or you don't want to cook it, like boiling it, you can just throw them into the oven and you roast it here. It's going to be very nice. It give you another kind of taste. If you've never tried roasting plantain in the oven, you can see the way I did mine. So you just peel them and put them in the oven like this, and it's going to roast very well and very delicious. So I will leave it a little bit so that it can cook very well. Please stay with me, don't go away. Stay to the end of this video. So you are going to see our recipe for this Friday dinner. This week Friday dinner, you are going to see how our recipe is going to, our dinner is going to look like. So the fish is ready. Okay guys, now we are going to check our plantain. I believe now it's ready. Okay, it's good to go. So I remove them. This one they're not too ripe. I like it this way. This one is super soft. There are people that like this one very well. See them just a bit, so this one is good to go. So our plantain is ready. This is what I'm going to do. So hot. You open it a bit. Wow, it's so appetizing. hot. You can see the way it look like. It's really nice. So I'll get the fish. Hot. So guys, this is our Friday dinner for this week. I believe you love this recipe. It's very easy to make and it's not that expensive to make. If you don't have money to buy expensive fish, you can go for mackerel. That's what I have to use in today's menu. I have to use mackerel because in my other video I use tilapia. You can use any fish of your choice, but if you cannot afford those fish that is so expensive, mackerel also is not that expensive. You can afford mackerel, so you can just prepare it like this. It's very delicious. So I want to hear in the comment section if you are going to eat this food with your hand or with cutleries. Which one did you prefer? Please don't forget to leave a comment. Are you going to dive into this food with your cutleries, with your fork and knife, or you are going to use your hand? Because as I see like this, using cutleries is going to be a waste of time for me. I will start using my hand immediately to enter this food. So thank you very much. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please don't waste time. Encourage me. Please share this video, like, leave a comment, and God will richly bless you. Thank you. Have a nice day till we see you again in our next episode on our Friday dinner, simple Friday dinner. So enjoy. Bye.